guys, Brussels, Saturday. I've got no work to do today, whatever that means. And I don't know, I feel like I've given Brussels a bad rap over the last few days. You know, I was sick, almost got arrested, my Airbnb host is a bitch. So I want to do one day of going seeing like a lot of the stuff I've already seen, but in a happier mood. I'm reading the Ultramind Solution, which is about just being the healthiest motherfucker ever, as far as I know so far, which I don't really know. But yeah, full day in Brussels, just chilling out. So I'm gonna have some fun and relax.
With my feet up on the top floor, screaming Jesus, but I want more. It's all good though. This feel like that blow a pound with my dogs on my shook flow. They love me in the hood, so shout out McCarvin, spreading CDs round the discount mall like a virus. Bosses choking, hope your employees know how to do the Heimlich. Left the bullshit way behind like Kirk Heinrich. I'm the first of my kind, ain't no doubt about it. Slightly schizophrenic, I'm in the studio with myself.
Alrighty, I just had a beer at a cafe, and yeah, there was a Belgian girl. She's like, "Hey, photographer?" I'm like, "No, not really." But you know, we'll chat for like an hour just about fucking. She's a musician, and yeah, just talking about like doing things macro. You know, no one does stuff macro. No one's like doing like what Russ did. You guys hear Russ in all my vlogs. And you know how he made it was he put a new song out every day, every week for like 3 years on YouTube, SoundCloud, Spotify, wherever it was. Every week for like 3 years. No one does that shit. And like he has such a loyal fan base, but no one does that kind of macro hard work. It's kind of what I'm trying to do with a vlog. So every day putting shit out, every day working on my stuff, on my businesses and so on. So yeah, doing stuff macro, and we're talking about that and like success. And she had a friend who came. We were just talking about it. It was a great conversation, just out of the blue. That is what traveling is. That is what, you know, that's what it's all about. Anyway, let's go walk around Brussels for a bit. I'm still in a very chill mood, so let's enjoy it.